In this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot and resolve audio issues caused by Wispr Flow on your Windows device. I'll start by heading to the troubleshooting page to perform some quick checks that usually solve most problems. First, I look for any service incident banners to see if there is a known outage. I also check my hardware mute buttons and verify the system input volume in my sound settings. If my microphone works in other apps but not here, I know the issue is specific to the Flow software and not my hardware. Next, I'll move to the Windows-specific instructions. I open the drop-down menu and start by granting microphone permission in my system settings. If it's already enabled, I'll toggle it off and back on before restarting the app to refresh the connection. Within the Flow system tray icon, I manually select my microphone by name to ensure a stable connection rather than relying on auto-detect. I then test my dictation by speaking a short phrase and checking the recent activity panel. If the text appears, the mic is working correctly. If I'm still having trouble, I can try restarting Flow or resetting the local database. If your speakers go silent after using the app, you may be experiencing a common system conflict. In the Windows App Volume and Device Preferences, I can see where certain applications might be muted or set to 0. By clicking the Reset button at the bottom, I can restore all audio defaults, which usually fixes the issue and restores sound to the entire system instantly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.